Morning, we're on site again this morning and it should be a fairly big day. We're going to get the rest of these big beams and posts fitted. So I got George helping today again and the lifting machine. I got the post set yesterday, the saddle stones down there in that video. I think I filmed it all. And I've just put a string line down from this saddle stone at the base down to that one. Got 3 more to set here this morning and then we can start lifting some stuff on in place. These ones are really nice and easy because there's no really working out to do. I've just got to get them in the right position from each other, and there's a string line already set up to do it too, so there's not a lot of thinking involved. But what I do want to do is, because they're even gaps, I want to try and get them so that the sight line between these posts is straight as it goes down this level, so they get progressively lower and posts get longer as we get towards that end. So I'm going to take the measurement from this post and a level line down to that one, and then divide that gap by however many intersections there are and have each saddle stone drop by that amount as it goes down this path, so it's nice and a nice smooth drop. There we go, got all them in nice and level and in a straight line with equal increments, so it should make up a nice straight patio when it's all done. Can just measure down to these tops of these stones now from that beam, get them cut off to length and start doing some fitting. All these posts drilled with dowels using the little jig. George has been on that. But this last one, which is the end post to go on here, because it's got a notch around this ridge beam at the top, it's got to go on at a slight angle and then go back to the wall. If we drill that straight, and it's quite a tight fit on these dowel pins, if we drill it straight, it's obviously going to try and force something when it goes on and probably not go all the way on. So what I'm going to do is drill it accurately in the right place where it's going to sit, and then drill a clearance hole at an angle so that when we're putting it on in place it can go in at the angle, but then when it sits on the upright it's held in exactly the right spot. Alright, enough. Got it on his favourite highest speed setting. Oh, really? Alright, just got to cut around this beam on this post and then plane a little bit off it to get it to sit back to the wall. I've lasered from the edge of this post, measured to the wall and to the face of that beam, which is giving me the marks on here. Just got to cut that out. Can't deal with that wobbling around. Time I got to there. George made a brilliant lifting device for these posts, and somebody forgot to bring it. Not bothered. That's it. Stop there, stop. Down, gently. All of that, right? We're all perfect. Living the dream. Actually living the dream. There you go, it's nice to get them in. When I went the other end and looked down them, they looked pretty spot on. So yeah, I was a bit worried about that last night. I think wife one's too short or something, but as you do. So a nice little moment. We'll chuck some braces in all these now and start putting the tops on. Got loads of time today. I've got to go by sort of 5:15. So just cutting some boards to put along the top so we can sheet up. We cut some braces to support this that can be screwed down here and clamped or something up here to stop this from wobbling overnight. And then we just got to get this one in place. We should be okay to sheet up then. My YouTubing camera's run out of battery, so this is my rig, portable rig for charging it up. Quick look around before I cover it with a sheet. None of the joints are tight, I've not put any dowels in or anything. But it's looking pretty decent. It is raining, I mean it is England. I don't know if I can hold that up high enough. Have a look down there, is that high enough? They're pretty spot on.